To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Thank goodness do you hear that sound? I'm so glad you're here. Detective, I need your help. I keep hearing this sound. Oh man, I wonder if it has to do with our next letter. You know what to do. Sound monster, sound monster, sound monster. What are you doing in the tree again? I just love to climb. Well, come here. We have work to do. Were you playing around in the tree? I was. I love to play. I do too. Do you like to play? Do you have a new clue for us? I do. This time, Sammy the snake hid the letter in a sneaky hideout. Oh no, a secret hideout? Yes, and he said the only way that we'll find the hideout is if we read the clue and listen for the sound S. Okay, thanks monster. We're gonna read this story. Every time you hear the S sound, you should make a snaky movement with your arm. Are you ready? Sammy the snake stole socks from unsuspecting shoppers. Sammy stashed them in a secret snake hideout. Did you hear the sound a lot? I did too. It's sneaky snake Sammy. He came to show us the letter. This is the letter S. What's this letter? S. What's its name? S. What's its sound? Did you guess S? You're right. S says S. What are my lips doing? S. Ooh, it's kind of like making a frowny face. S. Or like straight across. What are my teeth doing? S. They're not quite touching. What's my tongue doing? S. It kind of goes to the front of my mouth, but it stays behind my teeth, and it kind of goes to the top of my mouth. Let's touch our voice box. You're right, there's no vibration. Let's see, can I say this sound forever? Oh my goodness, this letter can go on forever. All right, let's learn my action so we can do it in our song. It goes like this. S, snake, S. Can you do it with me? S, snake, S. All right, let's do it by ourselves. Ready? Wow, let's try it together. S, snake, S. You guys are working so hard. You guys have learned so many letters, but I don't want to lose it in my brain. Should we sing our song? Let's do it. Ready, set, go.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S.
All right, we have uppercase S and lowercase s. Can you say it with me? Uppercase S, lowercase s. Say it like a old lady. Ready? Uppercase S, lowercase s. That's so silly. Can you try it by yourself? Way to work hard. I need your help. Can you help me sort my uppercase and lowercase s? Uppercase S, S. 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 Lowercase 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 s, S. Do you guys remember my writing song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We are going to write uppercase S and lowercase s, so get your magic wands ready. Are they ready? Okay, remember we start at the top. We're gonna start at the skyline. I'm gonna start over here just off of the skyline, and this one's like a snake, so it's gonna swirl around. I'm gonna start at the skyline. I'm going to go around past the mountain line down to the grass line and back up just a little bit from the grass line. That's uppercase S. Let's do it one more time. Start at the skyline, go around past the mountain line, down to the grass line, just up slightly from the grass line. Now, lowercase s is little, so we are going to start at the mountain line. That's your dotted line. So get your magical wand ready. Start at the mountain line, around to the grass line. There's lowercase s. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to start at the mountain line, around, back around, and down to the grass line. Way to go. I'm going to tell you a word, and I want you to tap the sounds for the word on your Sound Monster mat. Say Sam. Tap the sounds. Did you say s, a, m? Say pass. Tap the sounds. Did you say p, a, s? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds, and I want you to say the word by sliding your Sound Monster across your board. S, a, b. Did you say sab? That's a silly word. S-a-d. Did you say said? You have learned all about the letter S. Can you do this page on your own? If you have finished the letter S page and you are ready to move on, you may color the letter S on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.